This is gonna be ugly. Watch this. This is crazy. Like this is beyond recognition. I have no idea. This is insane. Possible. Oh my God. That's like a fucking $70,000 truck right there too. $70,000 for that truck right there.
Yeah.
Isn't it? That's a brand new one. Oh yeah. Oh fuck them. Look at them. Unbelievable. But they have no choice.
Oh, they
Oh, he just fucking toasted the back of that truck. It's toast.
Go.
Insane. Oh, that truck's toast. That's a $70,000 truck. Literally, $70,000. Toast. And a female driver, look at her. She has no clue. Oh my God, that truck is toast.
Yeah, we gotta get going.
There's a truck right behind you.
Okay.
You need to turn off your light.
Well, turn off.
Ow.
There's a Jeep right behind you. Don't go back anymore.
Oh my God, that truck is so fucked. It's gonna total it. That truck is totaled. Oh my God, that's $70,000 done.